Hello friends, in the Fluency Development series, here is another edition of the important words along with their fluency combinations. Remember, all these words are high frequency words and most often used in our everyday English. Consistent practice with all these words will bring dramatic change in your language skills. This course particularly has been designed for those who knows the basics of the English and just want to work on their fluency. This course will train you to express your thoughts, ideas, and feelings exactly the way you want to convey. So let's start. The first word today is idea. The big idea, the central idea, funny idea, great idea, strange idea, excellent idea, awful idea, the whole idea. Another one is impact. A considerable impact, direct impact, future impact, growing impact, negative impact, powerful impact, serious impact, tremendous impact, immediate impact. Another one is importance. Supreme importance, commercial importance, growing importance, historical importance, national importance, primary importance, social importance. Let's move ahead. Improvement. Constant improvement, dramatic improvement, general improvement, rapid improvement, remarkable improvement, actual improvement, immediate improvement, obvious improvement, overall improvement. Another addition is incident. Bad incident, dramatic incident, funny incident, major incident, recent incident, strange incident, actual incident, unusual incident. Next word is information. Reliable information, available information, detailed information, correct information, fresh information, general information, latest information, useful information, sufficient information, wrong information. Injury. Major injury, minor injury, serious injury, permanent injury, slight injury, terrible injury, old injury, fresh injury, personal injury, severe injury. Another one is instruction. Basic instruction, clear instruction, detailed instruction, final instruction, form instruction, general instruction, special instruction, important instruction, simple instruction, specific instruction, written instruction. Next one is interest. Common interest, growing interest, keen interest, general interest, public interest, initial interest, national interest, personal interest. The last one is investment. Domestic investment, foreign investment, heavy investment, huge investment, safe investment, small investment, extra investment, overall investment, original investment. Here what we did is we just combine the adjectives with noun. Most often you will find adjective before noun. And if you practice like this, you will know that how adjectives can be combined with noun. I am pretty sure you are improving your English language gradually. If you have any query, do let me know. Your suggestions and your feedbacks are always welcome. You can always reach me on my WhatsApp number, that is 98272-17250. You can mail me also at sdchapola@gmail.com. Please like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends, with your colleagues and with your relatives. In the coming sessions, in the coming lectures, I am going to come up with 4 playlists in which you will find the 4 courses. One is Basic English, another one is Fluency Development, next one is for Vocabulary Development, and the last one would be for Campus Preparation. So this channel is going to help you a lot and your friend as well. So keep subscribing this channel and watch the video, and your suggestions and feedbacks are always welcome. Thank you very much for watching. See you. Take care.